You're a creator, and like most people, often on the go. This means that after uploading a new YouTube video, you're not always in front of a computer. But no matter where you're headed, you do always have your phone. With TubeBuddy Mobile, you can now manage and optimize your YouTube channel anywhere. And whether you're on iPhone or Android, we've got you covered. Install TubeBuddy Mobile for free today at tubebuddy.com/mobile.